Video I've got a 2006 Subaru Forester, and looks like Subarus have very interesting ways of mounting their AC compressors to the bracket that actually mounts onto the engine block. And on this particular year it's looking a little bit different, but I just wanted to make this video in case anyone else has a 2006 Subaru Forester or the EJ25 motor that has this kind of unique bracket mounting system. And so the way this works is like you've got this black bracket on the back, you've got a short screw and a long screw. The longer screw or bolt is what goes into the top part right there, and then the short one goes right in there, and you've got an additional two bolts. Long one right here goes through the compressor and into the bracket, and then you've also got an additional one right here that goes through the compressor and into the bracket as well. So just a quick video to help anyone in case you're stuck and forgotten how this thing came apart. This is how it should go back together, and then there's an additional your tensioning system is going to bolt into this hole, these holes right here, and that is this thing right here. So you've got your two bolts that hold the tensioner on, and then you've got your lock nut as well as the actual tensioner nut right here. So that's how this thing should look. So I'm going to slowly start putting this thing back together, and hope this helps. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.